Okay. So public static void print pyramid shape. So you can give an input if you don't want to give data to your method at runtime. You can take as a parameter, right? You can take as a parameter and I can give it, not a problem. Okay. So let's do, I want to give the input for this method while running the program. So for that, what we need to do? How can you give input at runtime for the method?
We can, by using scanner class, we can read it here.
Yeah. Using scanner class, you can do that. So let's do that. Scanner class object first. Scanner sc obj equal to new scanner. So system dot in. So it will take the input. So why it is throwing error? So quick fix import. You need to do import. That's it. Because this is coming from other class, other package, right? So you have to import. Now, so how many rows you want? Just print that. So how many rows you want in your pyramid? You enter int rows count equal to, so scobz dot next int. Next int. So I got the rows. Only I'll just give rows. Yeah, rows. Now initialize row number. Initialize the row number 1. Initialize the row number. So int row number equal to 1. I'm initializing the row number as a 1. Now take. So basically what is happening here, understand here. See, your cursor starts here and you're printing 5 spaces. And you're printing from 5 spaces, then printing the star. So to achieve this, you need to use 3 for loops and print methods. You have to use print method, not println methods. If you use print method, you can achieve this shape. So let's see how to do that. One for loop inside, you have to take multiple for loops, one for space, one for printing that star. So now take the outer for loop. You start from the last row onwards. Int I equal to rows. So I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. So then print the I spaces. Print the I spaces. So for int j equal to, so 1, j less than or equal to I. So I spaces we need to print, right? That's why I spaces we want, and I plus plus, sorry, j plus plus. Then you need to print I spaces. So So you have to use space. Space you need to print. Print method you have to use, not println. Okay, this is the space printing. Okay, this space. So this space we printed. Next, what we need to print? We need to print the star. For printing the star, number of stars you want. So you need to take another for loop, one more for loop. So print the star after spaces. So take another for loop. Int k equal to 1. K less than or equal to row count, row number, and k plus plus. Then you print the star now, but use print method only. Okay, again print method only you have to use. Why you need to use print method is side by side you have to print, right? That's why we need print method only. So star you need to print. Okay. After this, you bring the cursor to next row, right? You bring the cursor to next row. Then you increment the row count. Increment the row count. Row number basically. Row number plus plus. That's it. So it will print your pyramid shape. So let's call that. So what is that? Print pyramid shape. So it is printing or not, we'll see that. If it is going wrong, yeah, so no problem. If it is going wrong, you execute and try to fix it. So first attempt itself, you don't need to achieve. If you achieve, okay. If you're not, try it out without seeing the try. So then you will learn the coding. Otherwise, it's not possible. Okay. Now I'm going to execute now. See this? Let me take up.
Ramesh, don't we need to give the row count?
Row count, row number or row count we used? Rows we used. Row number. How many rows are there? That many so the stars we want. Okay. That's why I have given here k less than or equal to row number. If row number is 1, 1 star. If row number is 2, 2 stars. You have the same way, right? Like this. First row 1 star. Second row 2 stars. That means 2 columns basically, right? That's what. So you are going to give, you're asking about this, right? You're asking about this one, rows. How many rows you want? That's what you're asking. That I'm going to give at runtime while running the program. It will ask you. It will ask you while running the program, not now.
Okay.
It's not a parameterized method, right? I didn't make parameterized method. Can you see any parameters here?
Yeah, no.
I'm giving while running the program, I'm going to give this value, rows value, and this will prompt for you in the console. Okay, so let's run this. See, it is prompting how many rows you want in your pyramid. I can enter 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think something wrong. We made a something wrong here. Greater than 0. Maybe greater than 0 is enough. So then it should come. Okay, something wrong, right? It's going beyond. So try it out next. We fixed that. I want to see now whether it is working or not. So clear and try running again. So how many rows you want? 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it solved? So we are expecting 5 rows and 5 rows has come. Is it pyramid shape or not?
It looks like, but something like opposite side was not equals to right hand side, right? That spaces, or I don't know. It looks like, but not like
That's
exactly.
maybe because of the space on the first
No,
star.
we are giving
One
a
more
space, right? That is, otherwise it is a pyramid shape. Looks like it's a pyramid shape only, right?
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
You can adjust that, okay,
Okay.
how you want. So that's all the way you put that star. And one more thing, suppose I don't want stars, I want to print row count only. Then, so what you can do? So I'll just put row number. If you want to give a spaces, one space, otherwise leave it. Okay. How many, what is the row number? That should be there in each row. Okay, let's execute this now. Clear? See now. So I want 5 rows. See, first row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. It looks like.
So this is the no exact pyramid shape, right?
Yeah.
All shapes, okay, how you will give. So then it's all how you want, what you want. Okay, that's all you can achieve with this concept. So that's all about basics of core Java. But these basics are pillars for your coding. If you are strong with the basics, then only it is possible to understand the coding. The pillars for the coding is control structures, arrays, methods, variables, data types. These are the, you read n number of times, practice n number of times, same will repeat, same concept. So listen our videos multiple times, make a note. If you don't want to listen, make a note one time, the most important point. Then you can read your notes. So always suggest prepare your notes and practice more with all the formulas. I am telling those formulas that really helps you. Okay, good. So I will stop this.